show you one thing that I use that's similar to his, but is I overlay a couple of those in, and I find that to be very, very helpful. All right, if we apologize, we go $ADVN minus $DECN. And let's put this on a 1-minute chart. And then let's go add study, compare with.
That's how you do that.
$sign TICK. I like this. I stare at this all day long. And if I price level, I always have a line at 0, which I'm close, positive 1,000, and negative 1,000.
So you have what, up and down volume and tick on the same one?
On the same chart, yeah.
Very cool.
So then, unfortunately,
that again?
Studies, add study, compare with, custom symbol, and then, when you hit that, box comes in, $tick. I like these overlaid because, and I look at it on a 1-minute chart, and typically the ticks will react first, and if the advanced decline line doesn't go with it, if I'm short and it's not rising, I might add another one, because it's fluff and stuff. It's not real.
One more time. Sorry.
Okay, it's all right. Studies. Add study. Go down to compare with. Custom symbol. Box pops up. $tick.
Excellent tip.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
I use this thing. It's I really like it. And it's let me extend these to the left.
Yeah, I see.
And to the left. Then to the left. And then let's just walk back a little bit. Because now you can see see this right here? See the ticks really didn't even reach 1,000. The ADD line was up here at 15 on Friday. Then you see it start falling, and look at the trend of the ticks. So I mean, you can hammer this thing on the downside. And look at this, a 1-minute chart. You can hammer this thing.
Now, don't you like
I'm a perfect
looking at the ticks, the AD lines and your little bubbles at the bottom?
No, I actually don't usually have this on at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, this is math computer, so
Oh.
I only have what's here and above on this chart. I only pay attention to that.
Now, you also do two red lines there?
Yes, I actually have a horizontal line at the 0 line at plus 1,000 and minus 1,000. Because for ticks, plus and minus 1,000 are extreme readings.
Right.
It's not sustainable, exactly what Peter said.
What exactly is the 1,000 understand?
It's buying pressure. It's buying pressure or selling pressure.
What are the 1,000 mean? Is that a number of trades?
Yes.
Trades?
Yeah, yep. No, number of buys or sells.
What was the original symbol you put in?
$ADVN minus $DECN. It's right here. If you look up there, it's right here. You can't see that. Okay. All right.
It doesn't
Yeah.
show it all. Plus $tick. What would that say? I don't know. What he's doing is the advance. What you got is the advance. And minus the
So, and it's very interesting. I mean, I've never traded with Peter, but have known him for a long time. And this is behind me a little bit, but just look at the trends here. I really follow the trends of this chart. You see this trend of ADD lines just collapsing. You're like, this is a joke. It's just a no-brainer to hammer this thing on the short side.
Yeah.
And, then you see, lunchtime here, it floats up a little bit. Then you get the hammered again, and then what's very interesting here, when you see this extreme reading, you're like, And now, I'd be the first one to tell you, you should be hammering this thing, all the way in here. But then you see this plus 1,000, boom, somebody's covering. It's short, my own opinion, it's short covering for the weekend. It's Friday afternoon, late. And people made a lot of money last week short.
And I think
Oh,
the
yeah.
government.
I mean, think about it. But just think about it. Just last week, if you were short last week, you have to take everything and turn it upside down. If somebody's up $10 in a stock, you don't think they're tempted to sell something? Okay, if they've earned $10 shorting, they're going to cover something. Covering generates buying pressure.
That's why you get the dead cat bounce.
That's why you get the dead cat bounce. So,
Would you call it Friday that last half an hour dead cat bounce?
short covering. So, no, short covering. And Monday morning, they'll probably start shorting again.
It's got about a little bit.
No, and come on, you get the short 20 points higher. I get to cover the same real estate twice. So that's just, if this helps anybody, great. If not, throw it out.
Thanks, Rob.